Staring at the moon, it's coming, illumination. I know better than to think that this time's different.